Hello guys, my name is Praveen and today we will learn about the bracket order, how to apply bracket order in kite applications. So, so before starting the video, I will request everybody to please subscribe my channel and you can see I have created multiple playlists over here. You can also see what is I have created in the playlist related to trading videos, related to the basic technical videos is there. You can see it and increase your basic learning. So all right, let's start the video. Go to the kite application. So here is the kite console. Firstly, you have to log in the console and then you will see this type of picture. So let me open one of the features that is called how to open the chart. Just click over here and then click on the chart icon pop out. It will open the Nifty 50 chart. So here is the chart just got open, right? And what you have to do is you have to apply basket order, right? How to apply basket? The use of basket order is to execute order simultaneously, right? So I will show you how to do it. So firstly, define the range, right? If you want to define the range that if you want to buy or sell or execute, right? So what you have to do, firstly make a range. Sometimes what happen, if you want to buy a stock with the same strike price, right, with 80 rupees, then and what happened, it's suddenly moved to 85 or 86, right? So in basket order you can put the order and then it can execute accordingly. So the current market price is going on 16,220. So how to put this in basket order to execute at what you want? So go to the order and then click on the basket, and then I have created a lot of basket orders, so I'm going to create a new one for you. Click on new basket. Once put the name, that is you can put buy call. You click on create, and then the price was 16,220. You can show at the top, right? So just type here 16,220. 220 will not take, you have to keep the prox 200. So this is 16,200. Just click over here and you can see what price you want to keep. So let me, so you want to execute at not 135 137, you want to execute at 135. So right here 135 and then you just add in the basket order, right? If you want another one P, right, C means if the market goes up you will get profit, right? So what in case if market goes down, so you have to also buy one P order, right? So click over here and take the same option, strike price, that is called 16 P, and put the same strike price, right? So that you do not get vary over here. 135 price should be for the PE as well, right? Add it. So you can see the quantity is same, the price is same, and once you execute it, right, once the price will reach here 135, the both will execute at the same time, right? Here once I will click on execute, it will go to the exchange and will wait until the price goes to 135. So if you buy a strike price with the same price, you will not get a difference in the profit and loss statement, right? If point go will 1 point up 136, then P will go 1 point down, right, if market goes up. So means a difference in the profit and loss will be minimum. You will not get more loss. This is also a new technique to deal with the profit and loss, right? So once it will click on execute, when you execute it, it will execute. Today's market closed, that's why if I click on execute it will be failed. So let me click execute, what happened, let's see. So I just click on execute, place 2 order in the basket, yes. So you can see failed. Why it's failed? Market has closed right now. Use GTD for placing long standing order. So market close, you can't execute it. What is the margin required? So required margin is 12,800, and you must having 12,800 rupees in your account to execute this type of orders, right? This type of orders we mainly used when market goes significantly in up direction or in down direction, right? So we use this type of combinations. We buy C as well, we buy P as well, and it's work rate. In 30,000 you can get good profit once market go in a way, in a single direction, in a up direction, in a down direction. So this is what we learn about how we apply basket order, right? Later video we will learn more technical things related to kite and Zerodha. So alright guys, thanks for watching videos. Keep watching, keep subscribing, and keep sharing. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.